Jacoby's Dinosaur World. What's favorite dinosaurs on my shirt? Tyrannosaurus, Parasaurolophus, Triceratops, Velociraptor, T-Rex, Ankylosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Triceratops, and Paleontologist.
Yay!
Today, we're going to do this Dinosaur Fossil Dig. Look at my fossil dig. It's so cool. Now it's time to open the Dinosaur Fossil Dig. Hey. See this? Fossil block, my magnifying glass, my brush, my Brachiosaurus, my chisel, and my hammer. Ooh, look, I see it. Can you see it? I can see it.
A few moments later.
Look, it's a skeleton. Let's put it together. Skeleton. Ah! This is the Brachiosaurus fossil. He's the herbivore. That means he eats plants. Thank you for watching Jacoby's Dinosaur World.